Healthcare costs are always top of mind, and new data shows that nearly half of all Americans are worried about affording care this year. Now, joining us now to share some tips and resources to help get the most out of your plan is Amy Jordan from United Healthcare. Good morning, Amy. How are you?
I'm doing well. Good morning to you too.
Well, thank you. So, healthcare costs are a top concern for families nationwide. What can people do to help manage costs?
We certainly hear that from our members as well. And we believe that healthcare absolutely should be more simple, more affordable, and frankly, more personalized to each individual's healthcare journey. So, the thing that I usually recommend people do is first, when you have a new plan you start, make sure you're really digging in to understand your benefits, what you can expect to pay from a premium perspective, a deductible, an out of pocket max, and then really understanding what those resources are that you can tap into to estimate your care ahead of time. Don't wait until the last minute and when you're actually in the need of care, but really plan ahead to really understand where you can best utilize the tools and resources available to you.
How can new digital tools help people access care and have a better healthcare experience?
Insurers are very much focused on helping people save money and live healthier lives. And that's why we're investing so heavily in these digital tools to make sure our members feel confident in the decisions that they're making. Cost transparency is a really big deal right now. So, really making sure our members have those tools to estimate costs, find in network providers is a key part of what we're doing. Also, we're very much focused on bringing digitally enabled technology forward to help manage things like chronic conditions. So, encouraging members to really look at their resources to see if those are things that are available. For us at United Healthcare, one of our new tools, Smart Choice, does a lot of that to really help our members understand in a simple, easy way that they have in-network providers nearby to them. They can estimate their costs. They can dig in and understand a little bit more about what the provider is doing. And it's all within one app to really help guide those conversations at home and really make the best decision for their family.
You know, Amy, many people overlook their vision and dental benefits. Why are especially benefits so important for overall health?
It's a really great point because oftentimes we think of healthcare in silos. So you have your medical benefits, you have your dental benefits or your vision benefits. And oftentimes we're not thinking about it in that whole person health manner. And you could potentially be missing out on some great preventative opportunities. So if you have those great dental and vision benefits as part of your plan, it's really important to make sure you're getting those biannual dental exams, not just to keep your teeth and gums healthy, but it's also a potential opportunity to screen for cardiovascular risk. Similarly, on the vision side, another great opportunity in that annual exam to not only check your eyes, but also opportunities to detect up to 270 different diseases that are indicators of disease and get ahead of that before they become real problems.
That's interesting. Now, Amy, when we do get sick, the ER is often the first thought. What should people consider when deciding where to get care?
It's really important to understand when you should be going to the ER and maybe when there's a lower cost alternative available. Oftentimes, people do think of the ER first, and certainly it's important to go when you have that really acute need or if you're obviously in accident or in distress. But if you have something that's a little bit more simplistic, like a cold or pink eye or sinus infection, there are usually a lot of lower cost options like virtual care or urgent care that are also in your network as part of your benefits and really a more appropriate site of care to utilize in that moment. And it's a great way to help you save costs as you're thinking about that throughout the year.
All right, last but not least, where can our viewers go for more information?
Yeah, if you happen to be a United Healthcare member, we encourage you to download our app. Otherwise, you can go to uhc.com to learn more.
I've been speaking with Amy Jordan from United Healthcare. Thank you so much for joining us. I appreciate it. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much for having me.